Hey everyone guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll explain how to actually reset your DoorDash acceptance rate, right? So if your current rate is low and you want a fresh start, here's what you need to know guys. Unfortunately, okay, I'll be completely honest. Unfortunately, DoorDash does not offer a direct way to reset your acceptance rate, okay? There's no manual way. Okay, your acceptance rate actually reflects the percentage of delivery requests you have accepted over time, and it resets automatically when you complete 100 deliveries. Okay, 100 deliveries, and it only calculates basically the most recent 100 orders. So what you can do, guys, is you can improve your rate by your acceptance rate, right? Accepting more delivery requests moving forward. So here's actually a tip, okay? Focus on orders during peak hours or high demand times to actually make it easier to accept offers that actually fit your preferences, right? So if you have been deactivated due to a low acceptance rate or other performance metrics, right? If that's what has happened, you may need to actually reach out to DoorDash support for assistance. And you need to keep in mind that you know, the acceptance rate is typically not a reason for deactivation, right? So staying active on the platform should be manageable as long as you meet the other requirements. So that's it, guys, for this quick guide. If you find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure, guys, you subscribe for more tips and tricks so I can see you guys in the next video.